Maybe it starts with your morning coffee at the kitchen table. Then, you sit in your car or on public transport on your way to work. You sit at your desk for hours, staring at a screen, only to come home and unwind by sitting on the couch, watching TV or scrolling through your phone. Sound familiar? If so, you're not alone. In today's world, sitting has become the default position for most people. And while it may seem harmless, research is revealing a troubling truth: sitting for long periods is just as dangerous as smoking. Yes, you heard that right. Sitting is being called the new smoking because of its alarming impact on our health. It increases the risk of obesity, heart disease, diabetes, and even early death. The human body wasn't designed to be motionless for hours at a time, yet modern lifestyles have turned prolonged sitting into the norm. But here's the good news. It's not too late to change. If you're spending hours sitting every day, there are ways to counteract its effects and reclaim your health. By understanding why sitting is so harmful and learning how to introduce movement into your daily routine, you can prevent its negative effects and feel more energized, focused, and alive. Let's take a deep dive into why sitting is so dangerous, how it affects your body and mind, and most importantly, what you can do to fix it. The hidden dangers of sitting. At first glance, sitting doesn't seem all that bad. After all, it's comfortable. It gives you a chance to rest. It's a natural part of everyday life, but the problem isn't just sitting itself, it's how much we do it. On average, people spend more than 10 hours a day sitting. Some studies suggest that office workers can spend up to 15 hours a day in a seated position. That's more time than we spend sleeping. So why is prolonged sitting so bad for you? Slowed metabolism and weight gain. When you sit for long periods, your body's metabolism slows down. The muscles that help you burn calories and regulate blood sugar become inactive, leading to weight gain over time. Increased risk of heart disease. Research has found that people who sit for extended periods have a higher risk of heart disease compared to those who move regularly. When you sit too much, your circulation slows down, leading to higher levels of cholesterol and increased blood pressure, higher chances of type 2 diabetes. Sitting for long hours reduces the body's ability to regulate blood sugar. Even if you exercise regularly, prolonged sitting can still increase the likelihood of developing insulin resistance, a key factor in type 2 diabetes, weakened muscles and poor posture. Your muscles need regular movement to stay strong and flexible. Sitting for too long causes muscle weakness, particularly in the legs, glutes, and core.